Filipinos are very familiar with all kinds of fried dishes, from poultry to meat products. Even our banana Q are fried. For the chicken, we do all kinds of tricks in frying chicken. That's the fun fact of our culture. We do all sorts of ways, and surprisingly, we have thousands of ways to do it. From the simple salt and pepper marinade, frying them directly to the hot pan, to the most complex preparations using seasoned butter mix with flour, egg, and breadcrumbs. But do we really have a real Pinoy fried chicken recipe that we can call our own? Well, that would need a lot of explanation and discussion to that. But in Mexican cuisine, there's a lot of dishes that Mexican can call their own. And surely, we had our previous episode on taco dishes to prove that. For today's video, we will be discussing yet another Mexican dish that is worth trying. And if you are one of the people who wants some spice in their fried chicken, this will make you blasting for more. Hi everyone, Rene of RLumbang MyMEDIA will be discussing about the Mexican cuisine and its customs. Now let's get into it. Now, what are the customs and cuisine of Mexico? Mexican food is a blend of indigenous Indians and Spanish influences. At the heart of the cuisine of the beautiful country are three very important crops: corn, beans, and chiles. These native foods are cheap and widely available. Corn has been a part of the Mexican diet forever. Now let's see, how many times does Mexicans eat in one day? The Mexican eat 3 times a day. The breakfast or desayuno is typically a light meal of coffee, fruits, and sweet roll. But for the heartier meal, huevos rancheros would be served. If for us Filipinos, breakfast is the most important meal of the day, just to be ready for the day's work and activity. For the Mexicans, the most important meal of the day is lunch. What is Mexican food known for? Mexican food are popular because it's full of flavor. The Mexican dishes include healthy and fresh ingredients like avocados, beans, chiles, tomatoes, and other vegetables, and different types of meat like beef, chicken, pork, and fish. Even rabbit, lamb, among others, used in tacos, tamales, and soups. What is Mexico's national dish? It is not menudo or adobo, but Mexico's national dish is mole poblano. Did I mention it right? Mole poblano. It is a turkey with chocolate chili sauce. Chocolate chili sauce? That's hot. Now let's see the surprising fact about Mexico food. Tacos, enchiladas, and of course picante, all traditional Mexican dishes, is unique in its diversity and appreciated far beyond the national borders. In 2010, the UNESCO added Mexican cuisine to the list of immaterial world cultural heritage. In Mexico, there are 64 different varieties of corn. No other country can claim such diversity. Now we're going to cook our second Mexican dish the family prepared for our New Year's Eve dinner. And it's called Mexican fried chicken. And the ingredients are the following. While we are heating our vegetable oil in a pan, we're going to mix our taco seasoning mix and 1 cup of all-purpose flour. You just mix this with a spoon. This taco seasoning is complete seasoning already, so we don't need to put salt, Mexican spices for this, and so it's going to be delicious, more Mexican taste. This will be our breading for our fried chicken. Here now is our chicken, marinated for at least 4 hours in mixture of buttermilk and taco seasoning also. We're going to get each chicken pieces one by one and then fry it here in the oil. We'll see if the oil is hot enough for us to cook. See if there are bubbles. So we are ready to cook, we are ready to fry. And then after cooking, put the chicken on the hot oil. Dahan-dahan. Then we'll get another one. Then fold it again. Make sure you cover every part of the chicken so that it will be cooked. Right? Okay, another part. Thigh. Next the thigh is legs part. The taco seasoning smells like gunpowder, so it seems like it's going to be really hot. Talking about spicy. There. Okay. Then we'll turn the chicken later after several minutes. All the rest of the chicken so that everything will be ready for frying. Mexican use edible gunpowder, which are all available in the market right now. We can turn over the chicken now. But in fairness, it smells good. is adobo Pinoy or Mexicano? We're going to discover that in my next video. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching. Good day.